Okay guys, welcome to Irregular Center. Today we are here again to give you another episode of periodic maintenance. Why I do always mention this, because your car performance is very important to me, and I'm here to serve you. I'm here to guide you step by step to know how you can schedule proper maintenance for your car. So in this video, however, I'm going to talk about periodic maintenance, how you can keep your car as much as you can, how you can maintain your engine as much as you can. But all said and that, you must schedule a proper maintenance to your car. I'll show you a video concerning about a car that failed to do maintenance regularly, and that video was, awesome. You are all going to watch it and know how you can schedule your maintenance properly in this video. So schedule your maintenance properly will allow you to use the car frequently, will allow you to spend less money, and also keep the car as good as the manufacturer did. So you welcome to Eric Auto Center, the home of auto, and we teach you all the mechanical tips and do it yourself tutorial. So this video will guide you to learn something from this channel, and I'm going to tell you, you are going to grab something better on this platform. So this is Eric Auto Center, and this is your first time to go into this channel. Please, you know what to do. Use your time to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated, and also like this video, share and put your comment below in the comment box to have more interaction with you guys. Thank you for your time, and let's check the video how it happens and how you can also learn something from it. Because engine oil cannot be determined by looking. If you deteriorate engine oil by looking, you might end up spoiling your engine. That's why we schedule a maintenance for either 3 months or 5,000 kilometers. So watch this video to end, and let's share our opinion together. Thank you. On YouTube channel, I used to talk about periodic maintenance, and I'll say it again and again and again. Something terrible has happened to this car due to irregular maintenance. A customer bought this car complaining about a whole lot: rough idling, engine misfiring, fuel consumption, and at the same time smoking. But when we diagnose, you see a lot of things that has happened to most cars which is related to irregular maintenance. On this video, what you have seen there is oil that has sludged inside the engine. On top of this, you can see the oil. The engine has totally damaged. The engine must be overhauled or need to be changed. Just two options. I know that about it. Why? Because due to regular maintenance, periodic maintenance cause this huge damage, and a customer has to spend a lot of money to buy a replaced engine. It can't be overhauled because it may be a dicey to be overhauled. It may be a dicey to guarantee. It may be a dicey to perform well. So the best thing is to replace this engine. And when you are watching this video, make sure you put it in mind, set your reminder. Engine oil deterioration is not determined by looking, but it is amount of time used or a distance driven. That is why we set up a maintenance schedule for every 5,000 kilometers or 3 months. But when you schedule your maintenance to 6 months or 10,000 kilometers, then you may cause a lot of damage to your engine, and you always spend on an engine. So take note about that. This is not good at all. It's not encouraging. looking at the engine, how it is supposed to be clean, but nevertheless, I tell you, it's not easy, and the damage has done. So we need to put things in place and set up how we're gonna fix this engine back to normal. We are watching Eric Auto Center, the home of all the mechanical tips tutorials. We also give you the fundamentals, basic hit, and the principles. So subscribe to this channel. I know you haven't done yet. Hit the bell to stay updated whenever we release a new